looking for an industrial large format 3D printing machine, then look no further than the Stratasys 770 from SYS here at the Car Fulham Group. Chris, where does this machine sit in industry?
Definitely. So this machine is targeted at multiple businesses from design to engineering. Obviously, it's clear to see that it's a large format printer.
Definitely.
So you can take access of a metre on the x-axis by 610 by 610 in millimetres on the y and z. So obviously aimed at printing large format parts. So a good benefit is what we tend to see generally in industry is companies that are making large parts. Obviously the tooling is very, very expensive. So this allows them to de-risk that nature when they come into tooling, printing prototype parts to trial and test out the design before committing to obviously that expensive tooling. This is the big benefit.
Any more applications? Like, how wide is the applications for this?
Certainly. So we talked about big parts for prototyping, but then also for things like jigs and fixtures, whether that's assembly aids, whether that's looking at just a little large CMM fixtures for larger parts that can take more weight. It's aimed across the two main areas that we'll look at, from prototyping and manufacturing aids.
And there's a lot of technology behind here. So can you explain how it all works? You know, there's linear rails, there's ball screws, and you've told me that it's a cost-effective solution.
Definitely. So this is using Stratasys' patented FDM technology. So as you mentioned, it's running on linear rails to give it accuracy, better control, better repeatability, obviously, from your parts. A ball screw, things that people, especially in engineering, would be accustomed to on their expensive machine tools. And this is giving you access to that at a, like you say, a very, very aggressive price point. It's to take out or look at an industry where Stratasys can offer not just large format, granted, it stands out, but also if you wanted to print lots of smaller parts, you can take access to the capacity of that large build envelope.
And materials, what are you using out there? And what, you know, give me an example of who's using what.
So we're using engineer grade materials, the likes of ABS and an ASA. And an ASA is a UV stable of the ABS family. So again, great for prototyping, high fidelity models, but then also on the fixturing side, you've got a robust material that you can rely on.
Amazing. And what's incredible is SYS will actually offer to print you complimentary a part of your own design.
Definitely. We want to prove the process for people and give people the confidence that this technology can be integrated into their day-to-day process.
And I certainly think it will. For more details, do contact SYS for more information on this technology that was the future, but it's here now.